Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we will see how to add CDN to your website. Now we will see what is CDN. A CDN is content delivery network. What it will do if your site is hosted in a Asia server, I mean if your hosting server is located in Asia, so the website will be speed only for these countries that are located in Asia because it is nearer, the countries are nearer to them. If someone from other part like Canada or US visited your site, it will be slow than the countries that are in Asia. So what we need to do is we need to just add a CDN for our website. A CDN example like a Cloudflare. Also, Cloudflare will help us to prevent a DDoS attack. What is a DDoS attack? DDoS attack is if someone has a 500 or 5000 or 5 lakhs bot, they send us false traffic to attack our server. Our server can withhold only a limited number of traffic based upon our server specification. If your server, if your hosting is shared hosting, it can withstand only limited amount of traffic at a time. So if someone send a mass huge traffic to our website, our server will be down and our website will down, which will cause our website, which will affect our website's SEO status in Google. Once my website is DDoS attacked by one guy who threatened me to send some money so that he will not attack. So I didn't do anything. I just contact A2 hosting support. They prevented the attack. They actually helped me a lot with preventing this DDoS attack. That's why I am recommending you to use A2 hosting. Okay, now we will see how to add this CDN in our website. Okay, first just visit cloudflare.com and click sign up. And here enter your details and click create account. I already have an account, so I am logging to my account. After logging in, you can add the site by add a site. Click add site and enter your site. For me, I am just typing my domain name, one of my domain name, techify.com. Okay, and clicking add site. Okay, now what it will do is here you can select any plan. Each plan has different features, but for us we need only just a free plan. If your website has more traffic, or if you are doing a business website and it has a huge traffic, you can upgrade to pro or business or enterprise. Okay, for now we need just this free plan and click confirm plan. Okay, now what it will do is it will scan our website's DNS and it will add it will give us two name servers that we need to change in domains registers. So if someone is sending us false traffic, what it will do, it will prevent it from its server itself. I mean, the Cloudflare server itself will block it and prevent the traffic to come to our server. Okay, now we need to click continue. Okay, now we need to log into our domain registrars dashboard and change the name servers to this. Once after we change the name servers to this, our website will automatically load to our hosting. So there will be no problem, there will be no downtime. It will automatically load to our website. Okay, this will help our website to load speed, and also it will help us in preventing DDoS attack. Okay, I hope this video helped you.